ఇక్కడ జరిగింది. మా మిత్రుడు ఎంఎన్ఆర్ గుప్తా గారితో ఇక్కడ రావడం జరిగింది. అలాగే మా జడ్జి మాల్యాద్రి గారు, మా మిత్రులందరూ కూడా వచ్చారు ఇక్కడికి. ఇలాంటి అనుభూతి ఎక్కడా దొరకదండి. అంటే ఎన్నో ఫంక్షన్ చూసాం, ఎన్నో ఈవెంట్ చూసాం, కానీ ఇంత గొప్ప అనుభూతి పిల్లలతో ఇంత ఎంజాయ్ చేయడం అనేది చాలా అరుదైన విషయం. ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని మమ్మల్ని కూడా పార్ట్ చేసినందుకు ఈ టీం అందరూ కూడా మీ హర్షద్వారాల మధ్యన అభినందన తెలియజేద్దామండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much, sir. Raunak ji, आप बड़े events attend करेंगे. Okay, now the pointers with the kids, with the toddlers, and you have been the seed. Okay, the whatever you do, the placement of the seeds here. You've done the best thing, and with your vision, आपका जो vision था, now you see the result. How are you feeling it?
I'm a little surprised with more of Aparna's idea.
Yes.
I can't say too much about it.
And yes, sir.
It looks like a big success anyway.
And of course the educator from Rekha Rao garu.
Thank you, Mosh. A warm greeting, and it is immense honor and pleasure to be over here. Talking about my school, Italy, I know this school, I was interacting with Mr. Gupta, and again, man. So the concept, what they are providing, what they are launching, and what they believe in is quite different from the Indian schools. The curriculum, what we have, you name any board. Me being into education since 25 years, working as a principal in branded schools, Air Force, Army and all. So when I compare the style of operations of this particular school, is entirely different. Apart from just learning numeracy and literacy, it's very important for the children to be smart, to have the life skills, to come on the stage, to speak, and this platform, what is being given to the students, the little children, will definitely help in promoting the personality. Personality is not only about looks, it is not about fair skin, it is all about how you walk, how you talk, how you think, and how you communicate with others. And for these events are very important, and I'm so glad to see the young moms promoting their children, encouraging their children to come on the stage. Yes, this is what. Few years from now, when they grow up, maybe from 15 or 20 years from now, when they enter industry, industry can be anything. It can be software or music or anything. In short, I'm talking about employment opportunity. At the end of the day, people, they study for bread and butter. That is a fact. And yes, these opportunities are very important. 20 years from now, we don't know what career will be there. So they have to be smart for that. They have to be ready for that. And one of the skill what is required is communication skills, the personality development, how you interact. And teaching in engineering colleges, one thing I have seen, the students, both MTech and BTech, they are good with the subjects, they are good with the skills, but they miss on the recruitment part when their communication skills are not there. So communication skills and being confident is very important. I request all the moms, yes, marks are important. Apart from that, the skills are equally important. Thank you, and wishing you all a beautiful evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Juhi.